Hey, this is Tycoon with Stock Market Investing Today, and today I want to kick off a case study on my side about buying stocks. I've been surprised in the last bear market how many people lost so much money in their portfolios. I know I've got family members that lost like half their portfolio, and it seems like, why is that even happening? And I think the biggest part of it is that Wall Street doesn't really care if you make money in the market or not, even though it's a great place to make money. They make money whether you win or whether you lose. So if you're going to make money in the market, you need to understand that you need to try and do what Wall Street does and not what they tell you to do, as far as buying individual stocks and holding them forever. You're pretty much guaranteeing yourself at some point that those stocks are going to decrease in value. So what I'm going to do is start laying out a case study here that we're going to go through a 6-step process. The first step is we're going to determine the general market direction and only invest in a market uptrend. And we're going to go into some details about that. After that, what we're going to need to do is set some criteria on some stocks that we're interested in investing in, that we like their fundamentals. And primarily we're going to look at stocks that have strong earnings and strong sales. Now, after that, we're going to need to kind of keep a watch list of stocks, and once we find them that meet our criteria, that we can keep an eye on them and figure out a way to manage that list, so when a buying opportunity presents itself, then we can buy that stock at that point. Now, once we've done that, then we're going to have to start looking at stock charts and trying to identify the best buy points for the stocks, because it's not good enough just to know you want to buy a stock. It's also important to know when the right time is to buy it. And William O'Neill, in his book How to Make Money in Stocks, he talks a lot about this, and he calls it a pivot point. So we're going to have to fine-tune our skills in buying stocks at the right time. After that, what we're going to need to do is figure out when to sell our stocks and when to lock in gains and make sure that we limit losses. And then finally, what we're going to do is spend some time reviewing each of our stock trades to make sure that we're learning from our mistakes. Because making money in stocks is a trial and error process. You're going to have to find a strategy that you like, and in my case, I like the Can Slim strategy, and use that strategy on its own. Do not go from strategy to strategy. You want to take whatever strategy you're comfortable with and then work to perfect it and master it yourself. And you're going to put your own stamp on it. You're going to kind of make it your own strategy. And the only way you do that is by practice and by actually participating in the market by buying stocks. So that's the beginning of this case study. I hope that I can answer some questions as you go along. Be sure and put them in the comments if you need to. And I hope you have a great day.